Hey crafters, if you want to see how I made this beautiful adult tutu without sewing machine, keep on watching.
Hey guys, so I am in my basement. I moved everything down to my basement. So these are the tools I'm going to be using already cut, and so now I'm going to start working on it. So this is the rack I'm using for this, and I already started, and I felt like, you know what, being my first adult handmade tutu, not machine made, I need to, you know, have a video of it so I can see my progress, like when I started the kids tutu. So y'all just watch me. This is not gonna be like a detail. You just watch me because I am learning as well. So we are gonna see how it's gonna turn out. So I want to check my time. This is 3:01. It's reading backwards because I'm using my front camera. 3:01. So I want to see how long it's gonna take me to finish this up.
So guys, what I'm doing, I'm just tying it up on my ribbon. So I crisscross each of them and pass it through the three, like underneath the ribbon, and just tie it. So that's what I've been doing here, and taking one color at a time just to mix them up so they can look good. So it is, pretty easy but very time consuming. I'll tell you that already. So yeah, this is just gonna be like a diary for me, so I can see, my first handmade tutu. Like when I mean handmade, it's not with machine. So I want to see, my progress. So I have done quite a bit, and I just wanted to show you guys see my progress. So what I do is while I'm making it, I just pull it together so that I can have more room to add more tool on, and I try to you know fluff it, you know and you guys know I love my tutu to be fluffy. So I don't know why I'm doing this right now. I should be, trying doing this like at the end of it, but your girl is just, I'm used to fluffy tutus. So I am using two sizes of tool, and I was just listening to music and dancing. Ignore me. Just to make the work go faster, I had to, do something. But I have, like I was saying, I have two sizes of tool, and of course you guys can see it's two colors. And so I prep it ahead of time. The two sizes is because I want to have layers. I want it to have layers so it can look really good. So yeah, so each of the colors have their layers, so that it can have each of no sorry each of the color have their sizes, so it can have layers. So yeah, that's what I was just doing. And again, you guys just pass it through the underneath, from like underneath, and tie it up underneath the ribbon. I'm getting distracted by my dance right now. Oh man, I was just having fun. Like, y'all, I was having fun. Me alone, no kids bothering me, and yep. And I have a lot of room down here. I feel like I was in a mansion compared to my little office. So I was so excited. And of course, this process is very time consuming. I'm gonna be honest with you. So I had to look for something to keep me going so I don't get tired. Although I took breaks, but yeah, it was it was done at the end of the day. I'm not even gonna look my time anymore because I really took a long break. So I'm like, you know what, this time that I looked, that I was trying to keep, I did not keep it right. But anyways, guys, let's just keep on working. As you guys can see, I am very close to the end and I'm happy about that. Ooh, it's a lot of work, guys. It looks like it's easy just for you to be tying it up and stuff, but it's a lot of work, a lot of standing and tying and all of that. I'm so used to sewing machine doing it for me, so I guess I'm spoiled. So, guys, I like it though. I like it. And you guys can see it's actually looking fluffy. And I'm really squeezing in some tulle in there because you guys already know I love my tutus to be fluffy. So, yep. So it looks good. I love it. You guys, look at that. Look at that. It's really fluffy.
2 hours. All right, guys. So I am done finally, and I'm gonna wrap it around me so I can see how it is on human body because I was gonna put it on my mannequin. All right, this is some hard work, honey. 2 freaking hours. Oh, that's just full. This is really full. I like it. Okay. Can you guys see that? It's really full. Yeah, the birthday girl is here. It's my first one. Looks good.
So for those of you that do not have sewing machine, here you go. You can definitely make a tutu without having a sewing machine and it's gonna look good. Just remember, you gotta make it fluff. And I do not know how many yards I use, y'all. Don't even ask me. So but I use those little 6 inches, or is this 6 inches or whatever, 100 yards, 6 inches. To the one by my side that you guys can see, that's the one I used. And I used 1.5 for each color. Does that make any sense? Does that help? Okay, let's put this on my mannequin. This thing is so full. Like, I was struggling to wrap it around this mannequin, y'all. Like, it was easy to wrap it on me, at least to an extent, but on a mannequin, y'all, your girl was struggling. But yes, so you guys can see, finally got it on. And of course, I have some trimming to do, some shaping, and all of that to do on this mannequin. Yes, y'all can see it.
All right, guys, so after dressing this up, look, this is how it look like. I'm gonna show you guys the back. The back is so pretty, and I'm gonna turn it around. See the fluff? So I kind of put my signature on the back, so you know, put a bow at the back, so that way, fluff this up. For the kids, the bow is in the front. For the adults, the bows, I put it on the back. You guys, let me know what you think. If you like this, if you're gonna be trying this or adding this to your store, let me know what you guys think. Y'all see that? The party is at the back as well, not just at the front. So I just wanted to come here and show you guys the final look. You see the layers, it's so pretty. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. If this is something that you're going to be doing, adding to your store, let me know in the comment section. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me. As always, stay positive, work hard, and let's make it happen. Bye bye.